Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread in an air fryer. This method is surprisingly simple and yields a perfectly moist loaf every time. We'll cover everything from mixing the batter to achieving that golden brown crust. Get ready to enjoy a delicious treat with minimal effort and cleanup. Let's dive into the steps for this quick and easy recipe. Start by mashing your very ripe bananas. About one medium banana yields 2/3 of a cup. In a separate bowl, cream together 1/4 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Then beat in one large egg. Gradually add your dry ingredients, like 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, alternating with the mashed bananas. Remember not to overmix the batter. Once your batter is ready, transfer it into a greased 8-inch round baking pan that fits your air fryer. Cover the pan loosely with aluminum foil to prevent the top from browning too quickly. Place it in your preheated air fryer and cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After this initial bake, carefully remove the foil and continue cooking for another 8 to 10 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let your delicious banana bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove without breaking. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing into it too soon can affect its texture. Once cooled, it's perfect for enjoying with your favorite beverage. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.